if you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing your game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the problem may be on Blizzard's end, and waiting for them to resolve it can be the best option. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Battle.net client to scan and repair your game files. This process ensures that all game files are intact and can fix any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider setting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy Overwatch 2 without interruptions. Good luck!